Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and struggling with debt? It's time to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom with the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book has helped countless individuals and families get out of debt, save for their future, and build wealth. In this video, we'll be diving into the key principles and actionable steps outlined in this best-selling book to help you achieve financial stability and reach your financial goals. Step 1. Build an emergency fund. In this step, the goal is to have an emergency fund of at least $1,000 in a savings account. This fund will serve as a cushion for unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or medical bill, so that you can avoid going into debt. Action to take: open a separate savings account just for your emergency fund. Determine a set amount that you'll put into the account each month until you reach your goal of $1,000. Consider cutting expenses or finding additional sources of income to reach this goal as quickly as possible. Step 2. Pay off all debt using the debt snowball method. The debt snowball method involves paying off your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. As you pay off each debt, you'll gain momentum and be motivated to keep going. Action to take: make a list of all your debts, including the creditor, balance, and minimum payment. Focus on paying off the debt with the smallest balance while paying the minimum payment on the other debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, move on to the next one, and so on, until all debt is paid off. Consider finding additional sources of income, such as a side hustle or freelance work, to help speed up the process. Step 3. Build wealth by investing in a diversified portfolio of mutual funds. Once all debt is paid off, it's time to start building wealth. The goal is to have enough money saved up so that your investments can provide for you in retirement. Action to take: research different types of mutual funds and find a diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals. Work with a financial advisor to determine the right mix of investments for your individual needs. Start putting money into the mutual funds on a regular basis, such as monthly or annually. Consider increasing the amount you invest each year to reach your financial goals as quickly as possible. Step 4. Save for your children's college education. This step involves saving for your children's college education so that they don't have to go into debt to pay for it. Action to take: open a separate savings account just for your children's college education. Determine a set amount that you'll put into the account each month. Consider using a college savings plan to maximize the tax benefits of your savings. Step 5. Pay off your home debt early. In this step, the goal is to pay off your mortgage as soon as possible. This will help you become debt-free and financially secure. Action to take: make a plan to pay off your mortgage as soon as possible, including making extra payments or refinancing to a shorter-term loan. Consider finding additional sources of income, such as a side hustle or freelance work, to help speed up the process. Step 6. Build wealth and give to others. Now that you're debt-free and have a solid financial foundation, it's time to focus on giving back. This can include donating to charity, helping friends and family, or investing in your community. Action to take: research different charitable organizations and find one that aligns with your values. Make a plan to donate a portion of your income each year to the organization. Consider volunteering your time and talents to help make a difference in your community. Step 7. Retire on schedule, debt-free. The final step is to retire on schedule, debt-free. This means having enough saved up so that you can comfortably retire without relying on credit cards or loans. Action to take: make a plan to save for retirement, including determining how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. Consider using a retirement savings plan, such as a 401k or IRA, to maximize the tax benefits of your savings. Start investing in a diversified portfolio of mutual funds to help grow your wealth. So there you have it, the steps to unleash your financial potential outlined in The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage the money you have. By following the principles and actionable steps outlined in this book, you can achieve financial stability, reach your financial goals, and secure your financial future. So take control of your finances today, start your Total Money Makeover, and watch as your wealth grows. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. I wish you the best of luck on your financial freedom journey. Thanks for watching.